Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. In the previous video, we have configured our Jio router through a web browser, and we have changed our Wi-Fi name, password, and add our additional SSID through the web browser. But in this video, we are going to manage and monitor through this myJio app. So this is going to be very easy and simple process which we can enable and manage and monitor our devices. So this is very simple and easy process and anyone can do this. So for that you have to do what you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store you have to type myJio, and when you can see here myJio is already installed on my mobile phone and I have to, but it's saying that you have to update it. So no problem, let's update it. So I'm updating now and it should be the quick one. Okay, so it's installed and ready, so we have to open it. After opening this, it will ask you to log in with your account. So let me log into my account here. So let me tell you one thing that I have already added my JioFiber. I have already linked my JioFiber account to my mobile number. So when you have doing the first time installation of your JioFiber, you have to link your mobile phone with your JioFiber account. So for that, all you need is your add your JioFiber number to this one. So I have already done it. So let me log into my account, and it's asking for the OTP. So let's put the OTP here. 034053. Okay, so after having the ODP, it will allow you, this app will allow you to log into this app. And once you are at the home page of your screen, what you have to do is you have to scroll it down. I can see here first it will show you your mobile number. So after mobile, you can see this arrow button, right arrow button. Just click on that. It will show you all. Once you click on that, it will show you all your associated account with this your mobile number. So you click on the switch account. So when I click on the switch account, it will show you the more accounts, and you have to go down. You can go below. You can take the link geo numbers, right, and click on this blue dots, and it will take you to this your JioFiber account. So in JioFiber account, when you scroll it down, it will show you all your subscription, everything. And you can, the first option in my Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi settings. So just click on the Wi-Fi settings, and you can see here it is showing in the list. You can see here there is a drop down list. In drop down list is showing the four names here, because these are the four names which are enabled from the web browser, right? So assume that I have lost the password for kids this kid's Wi-Fi name. So before that, let me tell you, in this, out of four, two are 2.4 gigahertz and two are 5 gigahertz, this SSID name. So imagine the situation that I have lost the password of 2.4 gigahertz. If you do not have access to your laptop and desktop, this is the easiest way you can change the Wi-Fi name and password from this SSID. So first we will do this changing the password. So this is my kids, right? And I want to change the password on this kids SSID. I'd lost the password, right? So let me change the password here quickly. Done. So password has been changed. So remember one thing, that the moment you change the password, your Wi-Fi will be get disconnected. Don't worry about that. Don't get panic when your Wi-Fi got disconnected. It's just trying to refresh the Wi-Fi names or any things which you are going to change it on it. So let's go back to the Wi-Fi list. You can see here it's showing, it's trying to refresh it. And let's connect to this home internet. This is my Wi-Fi name, and let's see, this is the home internet is connected now, right? Now when I go back to back to the app, so this is how you can change the password. You can reset the password of your Wi-Fi name. Now I'm let you tell you one thing, like let's say my TV network 5 gigahertz is the one of the name, and I want to change the name of this SSID. So what you have to do, you have to click this pen here, edit name. You can see those option, edit name. Click on the pen here, and it asks you for the what name you want to change. You can see that my guest. right? That's the name you want to change. Let's put this M as a capital, my guest, and submit, right? So now this my TV network would change as a my guest network here, right? Password would be as it is, or if you want to change the password, let's change the password also. Why don't we change the password? So I'm going to change the password. All right. So you can see here, the moment I change, modify anything on this router, this is going to refresh the service. So don't worry about that. You will be just get disconnected, and in the next, in the very few seconds, it will be connected back. So let me show you in the list whether it is showing my guest network, my guest. You can see here, this is the my guest. Let's connect the my guest itself. And okay, you can see here my guest is connected now and it's well and good. You can see this is connected to the 5 gigahertz. So we'll go back to the app here. So let me tell you one more thing, like here when you go back to we can check the, when you check the list here in 2.4 gigahertz and this 5 gigahertz. So you can change, you can manipulate this the connected associated device limit. Let's say I don't want to enable more than 30 devices on the device. Right? The maximum limit is 30. So you can click on the pen and you can minimize and maximize it. Right? This is how you can do that. And when you click on the save, it will minimize and maximize this one. And one more thing, let me show you as a bonus. So when you click on the connected devices, you can see here it will show you the all the devices which are connected to the devices. And I'll when let's say if you want to block any devices, you if sometime you doesn't recognize that which device it is connected. So what you can do is you can right click on it and you can see here block this name. And if you want to change the name, you can change the name from here. So sometimes you want to know that who is connected to this your router. So right click, edit name, and you can change it. So these are the couple of additional setting which I showed you as a bonus. And when you block the devices, when you click in the block, you can see here online paired and blocked here. And if you want to see this online device, it will show you paired device. It will show you, and this is the blocked devices when you blocked it. So I think we have covered. This pretty much about this Jio router Wi-Fi settings. If you have any additional questions, query related to this video, please do let me in the comment box. So thank you very much for watching my